Hey friends, if you wish to remove the email address from your login screen on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the accounts tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select sign in options. Now scroll down and there is an option which says show account details such as email address on the sign in screen. Disable it, and I'll tell you why this is important. Because when the login screen appears, even people who are not logged into your system can view it. So if your email address is present there, then that information will be public. I mean, anyone who uses your computer can view that. Especially if you're in a public space like an office, then you should remove it from your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.